Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time, and now just to log out from one from these accounts we should log out from Google account on our device. So let's just click to manage accounts on this device, click to the Google and select one from these accounts. For example, let's use this one. Now just log out from this account, click here and remove, and confirm your action by tap to remove again. And that's it. Now in Google account settings we'll stay only with one account. So let's go back to the application, and now in app we also can see that we log out in application from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.